In this English lesson, I want to give you two expressions native English speakers will often use when talking about how the brain thinks. The first one is, oh, the gears are already turning. Whenever you hear somebody talking about thinking and gears, we're talking about gears in the brain. Now, they don't actually exist, but older machines will often have gears, and when those things turn, it makes the machine run. Just like with our brain, when we're thinking of something, we might say, oh, the gears are turning. While I am filming this, it is summer, so I'm not working right now, but this morning, I talked with one of my colleagues, another teacher that I work with, and this person teaches history. I obviously teach English, but we were talking about some of the things we could work on this upcoming school year. And he said that he wants to do a unit on the American Revolution. That's a war we had with England a long, long time ago. But often I will try to teach English lessons right along with how the history teacher is teaching whatever they are teaching. It's good for the students when two teachers can work on the same subject, even though we don't teach the same subject. When he said the American Revolution, I started thinking of ideas and I said, oh, that's perfect. The gears are already turning, which means I am already thinking of great things that I can do with my students when it comes to the American Revolution. Maybe you are in English class and the teacher says, hey, this Friday you have an assignment. You need to write a paper on something you did this weekend. And immediately you might say to yourself, oh, the gears are already turning. I know what I want to write. The next expression I want to teach you is, oh, I see the smoke. And I often say this to my students when I can see they are thinking about something really hard. So maybe I ask a really difficult question in class and I see a student going something like that. You can see the smoke. It's definitely a joke. There's no smoke coming out of their brain, obviously, but when I tell a person, hey, I see the smoke, that means they're thinking really hard, or at least I think they're thinking really hard. Who knows? That student might not be thinking about English class. They might be thinking about a big date they have this weekend, but I often pretend they're thinking about my class. I hope this lesson helped. It was a little short, so if you're looking for more English, there's a video somewhere up there. I did all about how Americans talk about schools. Thanks for watching. See you next time.